I love ShadCN, but even with the theme customizer, there's a big drawback to using it. And that's that sites built using ShadCN tend to all look the same. Well, today I found a post on Daily Dev about 6 free Tailwind UI collections to try out. I'll leave a link to the article in the description so you can try out some of these on your own, but I thought today we'd spend some time going through a few of the cooler ones I saw on the list. The first one is Tailwind CSS snippets. Okay, now as we scroll down and hover over these, you can get a little preview of how each one is going to behave. Some of these will take a Tailwind CSS customization, so not all of them are just going to work, but a lot of them will. This one looks like it should work right out of the box, so let's just copy the source into our project. Should work with a black background, so let's give that a shot. Okay, let's set it to white. There we go. You can kind of see how that would work. Let's try out another one. Let's try this one. Oh, that's really cool. Okay. So clearly there are some cool examples on that site, but let's try out the next one. So after the snippet site, let's go down to, I don't know how to pronounce this exactly, but it sounded cool. I think it's Tailwind UI, but if I'm mispronouncing that, I'm sorry. Let's jump over to this and look through some of these. Okay, let's try this one. And let's copy just the button. Let's copy it over this. And let's jump back in. And there you go. I don't know if you can see that. I'll zoom in, but it has a nice little shimmering effect around the outside. And we have a few more like these. So let's see if we can get one more that works. Oh yeah, let's try this input spotlight border. Okay, let's copy this. Get rid of the TypeScript annotation. It's going to be this as well. And this, because I'm using JavaScript. And we'll do input spotlight border. Down here over our button. Let's format this really quick. Ooh, that is very nice. Now this is the normal size, so it flex to kind of fit the whole width. And then we can type it into this. And then you see you get a very nice highlight effect when you focus into it. Pretty cool. And these are just a few examples of components you can just drop into a project with very little work. Of course, some of them require a little more work, but I'm sure it's worth it in the end, just to have a unique site that doesn't look like every other site out there. Stay tuned for more tips on Tailwind. Happy coding!